The black pad of death is the current manifestation of FreeCAD 0.19. For example, if you select the part design example from the start page, you'll see the model cloaked in black as you see here. As an additional indication of this problem, simply start a new drawing. From the top toolbar, select the part workbench. From the basic shapes, select cone. Again, you'll see a cone cloaked in black. For many, this is why they're still using 0.18. Until recently, I was one of them. What isn't known is the solution is really quite simple, though not immediately obvious. Today, we're going to deal with this problem, so if you're ready, let's get started. First, we'll start with a part suffering the black pad of death. To save time, I've already created this drawing. If you're brand new to FreeCAD, I'll refer you to a video I created titled FreeCAD Broken Sketch, Broken Face 2020. Here I'll take you from the FreeCAD opening screen to a finished repaired sketch. By the way, the information in that video is still completely usable for release 0.19. The fix for this is surprisingly easy to accomplish, as we'll now see. First, we'll go to the top toolbar and select Edit. Next, we'll select Preferences from the bottom of the drop-down menu. A new menu is displayed. From that menu, we'll select Display Icon on the left. On the right, we'll see a new menu titled 3D View tab already selected. From the middle selection group titled Rendering, we'll see a checkbox titled Backlight Color. You'll want to check that box. On the same line as the checkbox, you'll see a rectangle with the current color of the backlight displayed. You can change it if you wish, but for our purposes, we'll leave it as is. Next, click the Apply button, and at the very bottom of the menu, then click the OK button on the same line. This menu will now disappear, and we are now returned to the FreeCAD drawing screen. As you can see, the black pad of death is cleared, and we are ready to begin drawing with the latest version of FreeCAD. Since I have yet to probe all of the new features in this release, surprises both good and bad are sure to come up. So, journey on with me as we explore all the features of this release.